Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Antigravity on Ubuntu. First, on Ubuntu, you usually already have Mozilla Firefox pre-installed so you can use it directly. If you prefer using Google Chrome, open the terminal and run the update and installation commands to install Chrome on your system. Wait for the installation process to complete before moving to the next step. Now, open your browser and go to the Google Antigravity webpage. Once the page loads, wait for a few seconds. You will see the Google homepage fall down with a gravity effect. That's it. There is no actual installation required because it runs directly in your browser. If you want it to feel more like an install tab, you can create a desktop shortcut using the terminal. Open Terminal and create a new desktop entry file on your desktop. Then add the required application details inside the file, including the name and the website link, so it opens directly in Chrome. After saving and exiting the file, you will have a desktop shortcut. Now, whenever you click that shortcut, Google Antigravity will open just like a normal installed application. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.